What's good, Rocket City Classic Cars? Back with another video. I just picked up this 2001 740 I Shorty Sporty. Got the Impar wheels. Got this for a really good price. It needs a little work, but not too much. It drives like a dream. Do a quick little walk around for y'all, and then we'll head to the interior. Gotta address that. The previous owner said that a motorcycle hit him, but some of the trim pieces need to be addressed. But those Impars, man, they're looking good, aren't they? They are looking good. $740. $235s in the front, $255s in the back. Got a staggered setup. Yes, sir. Definitely got to address headlights. This is one of two E38s that I own. Let's go to the interior. All black interior. Seats are in decent condition. Back seats. All black interior. This one has 175,000 miles. So the miles are up there, but man, it drives really, really nice. Really, really nice. Plenty of room in the back. Now I do have a head unit. It's actually in the trunk. So I'm gonna get that addressed. Some of the pillars need to be put back on. As you can see, that one is actually sitting right back here. But yeah. Headliner looks to be in really, really good shape. All the windows work, the AC works, the heat works, man. It's definitely a keeper. Let's go ahead and start her up. Again, I just got this car today. I think I do need to address the brakes, but 175,000 miles, almost 176. Like I said, it's in really, really good condition. Some things need to be addressed here and there, but it's not crazy. Not crazy. Let's check out the engine bay. Now the owner said he wasn't sure if the timing chains had been replaced before he bought the car, but I didn't hear any loud slapping, so we're gonna go ahead and ride with it. But I do have a timing chain guide kit for it. But yeah, I'm definitely satisfied with this one. Definitely satisfied. This can actually be a daily driver, to be honest with y'all. Well, there you have it, folks. Rocket City Classic Cars. Beamer Sean. I'm out.